morning everyone, myself BOOMIKA. My group name is Group. My group members are NIKITHA, GNYANADEEPTHI and MANASA. The project is fire detecting alarm using IR sensors. As you all can see, our project model is of classroom, which is just one of an example. Fire detecting alarm works to detect the fire and alert the occupants and manage the risk and to notify the fire departments. Fire detecting alarm. This device is designed to detect the fire and alert the fire externals and detects it. One of the primary purpose of this device is to enhance safety and security of the environment. Now over to Nikita.
Components and description. So next move on to the how the project for IR sensor and buzzer LED light. Circuit components and description. So IR sensor, the IR sensor detects the infrared radiation from flames. It outputs low when a flame is detected and high when no flame is detected. So next one is buzzer, produce the sound when a flame is detected. LED light up when a flame is detected. A 100 ohms resistors limit current in LED. So next, battery provides power to the entire circuit. 100 ohms resistor, it helps us to make sure that all of the needed steps are happening. So switch used to turn the circuit on and off. So next, over to GNYANADEEPTHI.
Wiring connection. Battery connect the positive terminal of the 3.volt battery on each side of the switch. The other side of the switch is connected to the power supply rally positive of the IR sensor, LED and buzzer. IR sensor connected to VCC of the IR sensor to the positive power and positive power rally connected to GND. Connect GND of the IR sensor to the negative rally. Connect the sensor out, IR sensor out pin to the terminal of the buzzer and the terminal of the LED via 100 ohm resistor. The buzzer connect the other terminal of the buzzer to negative rally. The LED connect 100 ohm resistor of the positive terminal of the LED to connect the other terminal of LED to negative rally. This is the circuit diagram of the project. This is IR sensor, LED, 1 ohm resistor, buzzer, switch and 3.7 volt battery. It's around here. Now over to MANASA.
Turn on the switch to power the circuit. When IR sensor detects the flame, the output goes low, activating the LED and the buzzer. When no flame is present, the buzzer and the LED remains off. When the IR sensor detects the flame, the out pin goes low and activating the buzzer and the LED.
The model is of classroom. This is buzzer. This is IR sensor. This is LED light. It's of green. 100 ohm resistor. 3.7 volt battery.